The key to everything is actually being strategic with yourself and looking at yourself and being honest with yourself. So if you figure out what your life's task is, if you figure out I was meant to start a business or to write a book or whatever, and it really connects to you, and you have a great love and excitement about it, then when people are being political and they're trying to distract you or they're giving you bad advice, you have the energy to move past it. But if you're filled with doubts and insecurities, if you go, I kind of want to write a book, but maybe I want to start my own restaurant, or maybe I want to write poetry, or maybe I want to be a rock star, it's never going to add up to anything, right? And then when people come up with their bad ideas, or they're political, or they're envious, you'll fall for it. So you have to have a real good, solid sense of who you are, what makes you different, and what you love.